day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Saturday, September 30th, 1923. It is 1:35 and 13 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, RNA key and cancer. So let's come to it here. How a small strand of RNA is key to fighting cancer, called lead-7. The microRNA governs formation of the cellular memory pool and is a gift from the dawn of the animal life. Date September 25th, 1923. Source: University of Massachusetts. A team of researchers has shown that a single, small strand of microRNA, or mRNA, known as lead-7, governs the ability of T cells to recognize and remember tumor cells. The cellular memory is a basis for how vaccines work. And by boosting cellular memory to recognize tumors can help to improve cancer therapies. The research suggests a new strategy for the next generation of cancer-fighting immunotherapies. Our bodies have T cells, which are white blood cells that specialize in fighting both pathogens. Think of the common cold and altered cells of the organisms itself, like tumor cells. Most of the time, the T cells are naive, mustered out of duty, and resting. When they recognize foreign antigens after bumping into them, they suddenly wake up, turn into killer T cells, and attack whatever the pathogen may be, from the sniffles to COVID, or even cancer. After the killer T cells have won their battle, most of them die. And somehow a few survive, transform into memory cells, and form an elite task force called the memory pool to remember what that particular antigen looked like so that they can be on the lookout for the next time it invades the body. This is one of the mechanisms behind how vaccines work. Infect the body with a weakened dose of a pathogen, say the chickenpox virus, and the memory cells will remember what that virus looks like, turn into killer T cells, annihilate the virally infected cells, and then transform back into memory cells, waiting for the next time the chickenpox virus shows up. It has never been clearly understood just how T cells form their memories. Moreover, cancerous tumor cells work by tricking the killer T cells, turning them off before they can attack and create a memory pool, leaving the cancer to metastasize unchecked. What they discovered is that a tiny piece of miRNA, lead-7, which has been handed down the evolutionary tree since the dawn of animal life, is highly expressed in memory cells, and that the more lead-7 a cell has, the less chance that it will be tricked by cancerous tumor cells, and the greater chance it has of turning into a memory cell. If the memory cell isn't tricked by the cancer, then it can fight, and crucially, remember what that cancerous cell looks like. Memory cells can live for a very long time. They possess stem cell-like features and can live for 70 years. The scientific investigators and microbiologists are very excited not only about the fundamental insights this research has provided, but also the translational impact it can have on next generation of immunotherapies. In particular, understanding how lead-7 is regulated during treatment to enhance the memories and capabilities of our own immune systems is a promising avenue for further research. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.